Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Destek VR glasses for mobile phones. Whoa! 130% view or field of view HD Galaxy VR glasses for smartphone, virtual reality glasses, eye protection VR headset with Bluetooth remote control for iPhone and Android phones. 4.7 inches up to 6.8 inches your smartphone can be the screen size. Then it is possible to dock this phone into that virtual reality glasses. These virtual reality glasses brings immersive 3D experience in VR games, videos and movies. You stand on the top of the mountain and watch the surrounding snow. Imagine how the wind blows over your face. Thanks to the 110 degrees field of view, we will feel like a real mountaineer. It creates a balance between immersion and clarity of vision and provides us with the best VR vision to view 360-degree videos. Its support for glasses wearers. We don't let our glasses stop us from an excellent VR experience. Unlike the most VR headsets, the Destek V5 offers universally accepted areas for most glasses to meet more customer needs. In addition, they designed the pupil distance button with a larger area to optimize our viewing experience. The eye-protected anti-blue light HD lenses, VR glasses mobile phone eye-protected lenses with unparalleled clarity makes the VR films a visual experience comparable to the world-famous 3D giant cinema. The Destek VR glasses ensures that we always have the best place in our private cinema to matter where we are. And more fun virtual reality glasses with the Bluetooth remote control. Expose all opponents or destroy them to break the record. Fly over the sea and terrain in different difficult levels. Fulfill the mission to inspect an abandoned planet to see if we are alive. It is possible for people there. The Destek remote is our great VR game partner. The remote does not support the Daydream platform, okay? And we have a wide compatibility with Android VR glasses, mobile phones, and iPhone. 4.7 up to 6.8 inches screen. The phone size is under 163 to 83 to 10 millimeter. We use the mobile phones with built-in gyroscopes such as iPhone 13, 12, 11, 10, 8, 7, the Samsung Galaxy A71, 50, 51, S20, FEE, S21, 10, S9, S8, S7, and more phones such as Google Pixel, Pixel XL, Huawei Mate 9 Pro, VR, Android, etc. It's comfortable to wear and easy to adjust the VR headset. The soft leather face padding provides a pleasant feeling on the skin and allows us to look longer without irritation. The headband is adjustable and relieves our head and nose. The pupil distance is adjustable to get clearest view even wearing glasses. Android 12 and iOS are not currently compatible with the game mode of the VR remote control, but this is fixed right now, so you can use it. And the virtual reality headset is a head-mounted device that provides virtual reality for the wearers. Virtual reality headsets are widely used with video games, but they are also used in other applications, including simulators and trainers. They comprise a stereoscopic head-mounted display. It provides separate image for each eye, as you can see, the stereo sound and head motion tracking sensor, which may include devices such as gyroscopes, accelerometers, magnetometers, or structured light system. This VR headset here brings not the gyroscopes with it, because you have to attach this or you brings this with your smartphone into the system. Some VR headsets are also have an eye tracking sensor and gaming controllers. The eye tracking sensor is not here included, but the gaming controller. The VR glasses use a technology called head tracking, which changes the field of view as a person turns their head. And if we are turning our head, this makes the gyroscope on our smartphone. This knows where our head is being, and then it will be transferred this into the image. The technology may not be perfect, as there is latency if the head moves too fast. Still, it does offers an immersive experience. And that's right, it is a really nice experience with this headset here. Yeah, this is the beginner's step for the beginners out there. It's not so expensive, so it is the right thing to start with it. This is awesome because this is a nice virtual reality experience with Destek VR glasses for mobile phones with 110 degrees of field of view. It's an HD, for example, Galaxy VR glasses smartphone, a virtual reality glasses eye protection VR headset with Bluetooth remote control for our iPhone and Android phone from 4.7 up to 6.8 inches screen. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.